new tornado emergency here that just was issued. So let's get you that info. Tornado emergency for Mortons Gap in western Kentucky right now. Hopkins County, again, this is moving over some pretty rural territory at the moment, but it's crossing Highway 112, and then Mortons Gap is right over here along I-69 as the interstate shoots north there toward the Madisonville area. We've got, as we look back, switch it from the velocities back to regular radar, still has that debris ball showing up here. Again, this is over some very rural territory in Hopkins County.
It was saying confirmed large tornado observed near Dawson Springs, so
Yeah.
that was obviously between there and Morton's Gap. There's not a whole lot to confirm in between at night.
Right, right.